You're not ready for what's coming. Most people think AI is about writing essays or making funny images of cats in space. But the real shift, the one that changes wealth, work, and power, has already started, and it's not going to be evenly distributed. This is DriftIntel, Signals of the Future. In the last 18 months, we've seen a Cambrian explosion of AI tools. ChatGPT brought language models to the masses. Open source competitors followed. Video generation, autonomous agents, AI clones. It's like going from horses to Teslas overnight. The question is no longer, what can AI do? It's who controls it? And how fast can you move before they do? Every tech platform is now an AI company. Every job is becoming AI augmented or AI replaced, and the speed is accelerating. Here's a real story the headlines aren't telling you. AI is becoming invisible, embedded, autonomous. We're heading into an age of personal AI agents that manage your time, money, and identity. Toolchains, where agents plug into APIs and take real-world actions. Microeconomies of digital workers running 24/7 in code. These agents won't just summarize emails. They'll negotiate contracts, build websites, run marketing campaigns, book flights based on your mood and macros. This is beyond chatbots. This is infrastructure for the next civilization layer. Everyone's worried about jobs. But jobs are just nodes in a system. AI isn't just replacing workers, it's replacing systems. Bureaucracy, automated. Ad agencies, gone. Real estate, finance, customer support, fragmenting into agent-run services. The real power shift, people who own the agents or build the platforms they run on. Agent app stores. Just like the iOS App Store, we'll see plug-and-play agents for every task imaginable. One-click installs for financial advisors, digital assistants, and niche service bots. AI native influencers. Not real people, but virtual personalities, optimized for retention and virality. They'll grow followings, sell products, and never sleep. Synthetic corporations. AI agents forming full companies, no humans needed. They generate revenue, reinvest, and scale autonomously. Most people will consume AI. You need to own the rails. Build agents tailored to a niche. Use platforms like N8N, Zapier, or LangChain to go end to end. Create content that shows you're riding the wave, not watching from shore. And most of all, think like an operator, not a victim of the system. You don't need to code everything. You just need to understand the leverage. The next era won't be built by those who complain, but by those who see the pattern early and act. This is DriftIntel. Subscribe for the signals of the future.